Welcome to Reuse and Create by Sreetapa. In this video, I will show you how to make this top with details in the sleeves. So, let's get into this video. Here I am using one of my old kurti which I don't like anymore, so I decided to cut it and make something new. This is a triangular kurti which I made in my earlier videos. You can check that also. And you can make this top using 1 meter of fabric. You can use any of your t-shirt to trace the pattern. Here I am using a newspaper pattern of my measurements. Now open the sleeves. Place the two sleeves together, right side facing each other. And trace the sleeves measurements. Now from the extra fabric, cut strips of width 3 inch and join them together. Now for the back neckline, I am taking neck width of 3 inch and neck depth 5 inch. Draw the front armhole curve at a half inch inwards. And here neck width is 3 inch and neck depth 4 inch. Now on another fabric, trace the neckline. Now draw a line 1.5 inch outwards through the neckline. Then place the strip over the neckline, right side facing each other, and give a stitch through the outer side. Then fold the other side and give a hand stitch. Then turn it and press it well. And give the finishing stitch of the neckline. Then join the shoulders. Now take the 3-inch strips of length approx 18 inch and then fold it. And then give stitch as the line I am drawing. Then turn it in the right side. Mark at 12 inch from the end. Now mark at the middle of the sleeve, and from the middle point mark at 1.5 inch at both sides. Now join the 12 inch mark with this mark and secure it with a pin and give stitch in these two sides. Similarly, do on the other side. Then here make a bow knot as I am showing in the video. Then join the sleeves with the top. After joining the two sleeves, fold the bottom line and give the fitting stitches.